All right, what's going on, guys? Hope you guys are staying warm out there. I know the weather has been ridiculous, especially in Texas, and I'm in Louisiana, and it's just as bad. So the temperatures are getting down into the almost single digits, and we're getting a lot of ice and everything, so I'm trying to stay warm. I'm a little mad that I can't get out and ride, but it is what it is. So what we're gonna do in this video is we're gonna be getting rid of these crappy Amazon/eBay levers and replacing it with something that's high quality like CRG. So let's get to it. All right, so real quick, I just wanted to show you these levers real quick before I change them out, and they're by MZS, and they look good. I mean, the finish on them looks good overall, but be careful, guys. I mean, you get what you pay for, and with these levers, they've been known on the brake side to have an issue with sticking or something like that. I think it's something to do with the bushing or something in there. It's just not good quality materials, and it will cause the front brake to lock up. And that can, give you a really messed up day, either seriously injured or even worse. So just be careful, put actual good quality parts on your bike, and you'll be good to go. All right, and here's the packaging it comes in when you get the lever. Open her up here. And there she is. Just wanted to show you guys that up close. Focus, there we go. Nice high quality materials, feels nice. And then it comes with the necessary cross pin and everything as well. That's it. All right, guys, what we're gonna do is the brake side first. It's pretty simple, not a whole lot holding it on. So you just wanna take a flat tip screwdriver, put it on the top here to hold it down, and take your 10mm wrench and put it underneath here on there's one nut under here. And then once you get it on there, go ahead and break the torque and get it off. I'll show you the comparison of the two here. Going the right way. But yeah, this one a lot beefier in this section here compared to this one. You want to make sure this plunger gets in there onto that cross pin. There we go. All right, there we go, pretty simple. You guys can torque this down to the correct torque specifications if you want to. Like I said before, it's just one bolt, one nut here on the bottom. I just chose to do it good and tight, and be sure to check the comfort level here. Depending on the size of your hands, you can adjust how close this lever is to the handlebar by using this lever right here. All right, now we're to the clutch side, and this should be pretty easy as well. One bolt through the top, one nut on the bottom, and then what you're gonna wanna do is loosen the tension up on this wheel here, and that'll allow you to take this cable out from the lever assembly, and then you'll be able to pull the whole lever out. Also take note, you may wanna use a 10mm socket this time on the bottom of this instead of using a wrench. Might just make the job a little bit easier. All right, guys, be sure before you tighten everything down, once you get the cable inside the lever, there's a flat spot on the bottom here, and there's like a little nipple that sticks out. It's like a sensor. Make sure that flat spot's hitting that so it can push it in and out when it needs to. Houston, we have a problem. All right, so when I was putting the lever back on, there's supposed to be a bushing that goes in between here to line that up, and then when you put the bolt in, it keeps everything nice and stable, so it's not moving all around. And then I noticed it wasn't working right, and I don't even think the one I pulled off had one on it, so I either dropped it on the ground and I can't find it, or it just didn't have one. So now I'm gonna try to look around in the garage here on the floor, or I may have to order one. So until I find that, I'll get back to you guys.
1 week later.
All right, so after waiting for a few days, I finally got the part in from Yamaha that I needed. And basically it is just a bushing that goes inside the lever. All right, now that we've gotten that out, I'm gonna go ahead and slide that bushing in there. So it looks like that, like it's supposed to be. All right, perfect. The way it should be. All right, and we're good to go. So now all you gotta do is go ahead and tighten this tension wheel back up. That way you can kind of get it to your liking there. That should work. All right guys, overall I'm happy with these levers, and the install was fairly simple minus that little hiccup that I had with the bushing. The fit, the finish, the quality and everything is really good. These levers do give you better peace of mind knowing that you have quality parts on your bike. If you're looking for some CRG levers for your bike, I'll be sure to leave a link down in the description below. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.